Well, the pigs are back. They'd been gone all summer. No one troubled by them. But they're moving in this way now. And this is highly unusual here that they're digging next door over at John's place. Uh, all the years I've been around here, I've never seen them do this. Usually leave his yard completely alone. It's a mystery why they like some places and not others. They love my place. They don't really seem to care for his place. But here you see a gate is always open in the evening, and there's a driveway right here. Pigs could have trotted right in the gate if they wanted, but instead they insist on trying to dig under the front fence, strangely. Who knows? You gotta think like a hog, I guess. I've been over here testing the ditch in front of my place. These things really create a lot of erosion. I don't know what the heck they get in their heads, but over here I just tore the whole shoulder of the road out. So I have to remember to keep the gate shut. It's easy now because I got the automatic opener there, but the other night we had friends over. Metal Jeremy from YouTube and his new wife Michelle were visiting, and we kind of partied, and I forgot, and I left the gate wide open, and I just got lucky, I guess. Aloha.